Setting up the machines is going to be very simple. You're going to want to make sure they're set up in a triangular pattern, the way we show you right here. Now, if you have a closet like we do in this room, you're going to want to make sure the heater's hitting into the closet first. It's going to bounce off of this wall into our fan right here, which is going to bounce off of that wall right there into our next fan, all the way into this heater. The reason we have it set up this way is so that the airflow can propel faster all the way back to our heater. The faster the air comes back to the heater, the faster the room will heat up. Now, when you have everything set up and everything plugged in, you are going to want to be going around your room, feeling out where the air is going so that you can properly move your fans around to properly circulate the airflow. Make sure to not touch your heater once it's turned on. If you do move it once it's turned on, the heater itself will turn it back off and you're going to have to restart the whole process. Alright, so plugging up the machine is also going to be very, very simple. This room right here is less than 400 square feet, so all we're going to need is the 12 amp side of things. This room is 270 square feet, so we're only going to be using 3 of the 4 plugs. Alright, if the room reaches up to 400, all you need is this side, as I said. Now, if the room ends up being all the way up to 600 square feet, you are going to want to come to the other side of the machine and plug in the 8 amp side as well. Alright, so this part is going to be very important. The fans themselves all can be plugged into the same room that's getting treated. Make sure that you do plug in the fan that is on the heater as well. That's going to be the black cord found right here. But when it comes to the blue cords, that's going to be our heater cords. Those all have to be plugged in into separate areas of the house. The way we have it set up in this house is we're going to have one of the cords right here. That's going to be in the bedroom opposite from our bedroom getting treated. We have one plugged in right there in that wall, and the third outlet is going to be in our bathroom over there. Now, if you have more questions about which outlets are found in separate breakers, go check out our breaker video.
And ensuring all the lights are lit, make sure to turn on the fan first. That's going to be the green switch to your left, and then turn on the heater. The heater switch should switch back down immediately after pressing it. Every elite heater comes with a state-of-the-art digital temperature controller built into the unit. To change the heat temperature, push the set button on the thermostat, and then use the arrows to adjust the temperature up or down. And then just press the set button again when finished.
Now we're ready to set everything up and get it started.